And what's going on, guys? I know this is actually my second video I'm posting today. I actually literally just posted a video not even like 10 minutes ago. It's actually still uploading right now. But there is a video going viral on Facebook right now, and it's actually of a local dealership, actually the one I tried to trade my car in. About 2 weeks ago, they advertised that there was a 2015 Mustang GT Premium for a very, very, very good deal. So I drove an hour out there to get it. I even took off work to get out there because I really wanted to see this car, and I had all intentions of picking that car up that day. I took off my Flowmaster Outlaws, I took off my cold air intake. My car was ready to trade in, and I drove out there, and when I got out there, they told me that they couldn't sell me the car because of the exhaust. It was honestly a really disappointing day because I had all intentions of getting that car today. I already told multiple people that, hey, this is the car I'm getting, be looking out for it. And the fact that I wasn't able to deliver on it was disappointing to me, but like I already said, I'm sticking with my 2012 Mustang GT. Sorry I went off on a tangent there, but that same dealership, they got caught abusing one of their customers' Shelby GT500. Now when it comes to a Shelby GT500, you already know that's an expensive car, it has a lot of horsepower, you don't want to abuse it in any way. Well, this customer put money into it, has 900 horsepower, and they still abused it. Now the dealership it happened at was the Autonation Ford out there in Katy. It was really disappointing because that Autonation Ford, I believe, they sell the most Mustangs out of all the other dealerships in the country. And it's really disappointing particularly because this customer really trusted this dealership with the car, and he went to that dealership in particular because he trusted them. And the fact that they would still abuse his car is just disappointing. It's really disappointing, but this really happens with every brand. I've seen videos of the mechanics abusing the Camaro, the Hellcats, Mustangs. It happens with every brand. Well, when I saw this video, I went ahead and reached out to the owner of the GT500, asked him if I can put it in a YouTube video. He said yes, and he actually told me that he wants to meet me. He might be able to take me on a ride, so that could be a video coming up within the next few weeks. He also said he has more videos, it's just he's releasing these ones right now, and he'll release the other ones later when he wants to. But without making y'all wait any longer, here's the video. So what'd y'all think? Is that the way the 900 horsepower Shelby GT500 should be handled? This customer has obviously put a lot of work into the car. Them revving it and everything was kind of unprofessional. They didn't need to. Any car guy will tell you that if you rev your engine shortly after turning your engine on, there is a possibility you could damage your engine because you haven't let the oil circulate all enough throughout your entire engine, and it could cause damage. And then when that guy said F it and then just spun the tires, took off there for a second, that's unprofessional too. You don't need to be doing that. You're ruining the customer's tires, you're putting unneeded wear on the engine, and really you're making your dealership look really, really bad. Now the dealership is trying to make this right. I'll make an update video here in a few weeks after everything is said and done, but they are trying to make it right. It's just still the fact that this still happened. And they were caught not only abusing a Mustang, but the top of the line Mustang, the Shelby GT500. But let me know down in the comments what y'all think of the video, what y'all would have made Ford do if that was your car, and really how y'all would have reacted, because this guy wouldn't have known if it wasn't for that dashboard cam. And I've been meaning to buy a dash cam for a while. I've just been putting it off, and after seeing this video, I very well might do it. But like I said earlier, I will probably be meeting up with the owner of the Shelby GT500 maybe this weekend or next weekend or soon, and I'm going to be doing a video with him, and he'll be able to explain everything. Maybe he'll even be able to show the other videos. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.